Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Forex. Sorry, Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of gold on 1 hour time frame. Now today I am going to share with you a very uh, good information, very useful information. I need your focus. Please watch the complete video and be focused. And other thing, I would have liked to enter here to show you an MT4 also where I use volume, but I doubt that it will you will lose your focus. So I am not sharing the chart here. I want you to be focused on this. So let us watch the chart now. Now this is the hourly rejection from here. Now let me zoom in. Now this setup is of downward and hourly time frame. Now watch this hour. This hour is not broken to the upward but retested. I need your focus. Please be focused. Breakouts need some penetration. Now this week this market is unable to go upward this week. So this is the simple retest. And this hourly setup carries the bullish value. These hours, this hour and this hour, I am not showing you here the MT4. You can watch by yourself on MT4. These bullish hours have more volume than this hour. This is allowed by the sellers to have the to get the to grab the liquidity to go down. They are collecting this has been rejected from here on the 1 hour time frame. They have collected too much liquidity, and now the market is ready to go downward. Now this is, I am telling you, on the 1 hour time frame price action and on the volume that you can watch on MT4 by yourself. If I would have shared here, I doubt you will lose your focus. But if you in the next video would like to watch MT4 with also this, and you will confirm that you are not losing focus, then I will share with you another time MT4 when needed. But in this video I am not sharing this. Now this is the first thing. Now let me go on other important things. Now let us zoom out. This is the power support. This was the low 1773. This was the low, and after this the market has gone for the high. Prior to this high, this was the high of the market. After this high of the market came for this low and went up, but at this time the market could not break this high, came downward. And what did it do? This was the low and he came down to this level. Did not touch it, but the upper part of this level, not this level, but this level. From this level it was rejected and went up and broke the previous high. And while coming down, we don't see any support created, like there is no support here. Though you may argue that this looks like support, but it carries the volume that is bearish, so it will be broken to the downward. Now here you will watch in this support the wicks that are down, that are bearish, and in this support the wicks that are touching to this support, that are bullish. So this support will be broken to the downward. And the next important thing is, this was the low of the market, and this market before breaking this high has retraced the upper level of this. So I don't think that now this support, the gold will come down and make a support at this level. I don't think so. But I am expecting that it will come down up to 1791 and make a support at this level. This is all analysis. I don't know what will happen in the market, as I want all my community, all my friends, all my dear ones who come to visit my, watch my this channel, I want them to be in profits. And I with all you my friends, I only can't do anything. I would rather like to talk in we together want to build a community in forex trading that is profitable, and minimum target for of profitable targets that I have set for myself, that is 1 million profitable traders. And if you help me, we help each other. How can you can help me, or I can help you. We need to help each other and build a profitable forex trading community. It is possible, and we don't need to sell anything to anyone, because traders are already in losses. How can we put them on, how we force them to expand more? We don't want to, I don't want to, we don't want to as a community increase their expenses on courses and other things. But let us share with each others the information, the knowledge that we have through experience. So I am sincere, this is my sincere try, and I hope you will like this my channel, subscribe my channel, and share my this video. In this scenario, if we want to sell from here, sell entry, this is the gold is bullish. Okay, I am fully convinced. Until this is broken, this support, previous low is broken. If it is broken, then we can say that the gold is bearish. But up to the time this level holds, the gold is bullish, and it is quite clear, because this was the high. Now this is the high. Higher high is increasing. This is the higher high 3. In one of our video, there is a question mark. What is gold heading for? What price? That is now clear for us. This is 1833 or whatsoever. This is the higher high 3. I will, if the market goes up for higher high 4, that is I am expecting at 1846. Then I will make and will let you in that video. This is higher high 1, this is higher high 2, this is higher high 3, and this is higher high 4. So in that that explanation, this is lower. First 1766 was lower low 1, this is lower low 2. The market is coming down for the lower low 3 now. So I am expecting that there will be a support created here. Now this is all my analysis. You have to decide by yourself what is in your favor. Now according to this analysis, this is the short position. We can set a short position here and stop loss exact above this, because this has been retested, not broken. I have tried my best to clear it. So what is now in this level. Now it has been mixed. Now let me delete it and put it again. Now this stop loss will be very small, and reward ratio is expected much. Okay, now above this wick, exactly above this wick, entry is here. Now let me put the horizontal line. Entry is as the market opens, and it becomes the spread becomes normal or whatsoever you feel like, then here is entry. Okay, the market is here. Here is entry. Stop loss is above this, but in the beginning of the market there are very high spreads at some brokers, so you have to keep yourself this in mind, and stop loss be above this line. And take profits, this is also the take profit. Now many take profits, there are possibilities. Now let me put that this is a retracement. And why do these retracements happen? I share with you, but this video will be longer. And if you would like to listen by me, if you would like to be shared, I will share with you why these retracements happen. This is the big buyers and big sellers psychology, and due to this reason. And this is the common buying and selling psychology, human psychology, that I will explain in another video, if you will let me know in the comments and will request for it, because otherwise this video will be much longer. I don't know whether you lose your interest and you lose your focus from this. So now this is entry, this is stop loss. First take profit, second take profit here, third take profit here, and fourth take profit here, fifth here, and last one here. Not more than this. We cannot afford to keep the position running even it reaches here, because I am expecting that support will be made here. And this is all according to the things that I have explained to you. And in the next month, what in the first week, how much volume comes in the market. Now this is the bearish volume available here. Now let us see what happens next, but this was what I wanted to share with you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye for now.